What is Vaseline? Vaseline, also known as petroleum jelly, is a multi-purpose wonder product that's especially fantastic for your skin. It acts as an occlusive, which means it traps moisture in, making it ideal for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. Let's explore 25 amazing ways to incorporate Vaseline into your skincare routine. First use. Vaseline is a good moisturizer. Apply Vaseline as a moisturizer to lock in hydration and prevent moisture loss from the skin. Second use. Vaseline can be used as a lip balm. Use Vaseline to moisturize and protect chapped lips. Third use of Vaseline. Vaseline acts as a cuticle softener. Massage Vaseline into cuticles to soften and moisturize, promoting healthy nails. Fourth use. Vaseline is a good elbow and knee softener. Apply Vaseline on rough and dry elbows and knees to soften and smooth the skin. Fifth use. Vaseline repairs cracked heels. Massage Vaseline onto dry, cracked heels and cover with socks before bedtime for intense overnight moisturization. Sixth use. Vaseline can be used as eyelash and eyebrow conditioner. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to your eyelashes and eyebrows to keep them conditioned and promote growth. Seventh use of Vaseline. It can be used as a makeup remover. Use Vaseline to remove stubborn eye makeup by applying a small amount and gently wiping it away. Eighth use. Vaseline can be used in DIY lip scrub. Mix Vaseline with a bit of sugar to create a homemade lip scrub for exfoliating. Ninth use of Vaseline. It can be used to prevent hair dye stains. Apply Vaseline along the hairline before dyeing your hair to prevent staining on the skin. 10th use. Vaseline acts as a protective barrier for sensitive skin. Apply Vaseline to create a protective barrier on areas prone to chafing or irritation. 11th use. Vaseline can be used in DIY sugar scrub. Mix Vaseline with sugar to create a gentle exfoliating sugar scrub for the body. 12th use. It can be used in foot softening treatment. Coat feet with Vaseline, then wear socks overnight for softer and smoother feet. 13th use of Vaseline. Vaseline can be used to prevent windburn. Apply Vaseline to exposed skin in cold, windy weather to create a protective barrier against windburn. 14th use. Vaseline is helpful in soothing irritated nose. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to the nostrils to soothe irritation during a cold or allergies. 15th use. Vaseline can be used as an eyelid primer. Use a tiny amount of Vaseline as an alternative to eyelid primer before applying eyeshadow. 16th use. Vaseline can also be used in DIY face mask. Mix Vaseline with other ingredients like honey or aloe vera for a hydrating DIY face mask. 17th use. Vaseline can also be used to prevent chafing. Apply Vaseline to areas prone to chafing, such as thighs, before engaging in physical activities. 18th use. Vaseline can also be used as a sunburn soother. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to a mild sunburn to soothe the pain and prevent peeling. Remember, this is for mild sunburns only. For severe burns, consult a doctor. 19th use. Vaseline can be used for heel blister prevention. Rock those heels without the pain. Apply Vaseline to your feet before wearing heels to prevent blisters and chafing. 20th use. Vaseline can also be used to soothe eczema. Apply Vaseline just after your shower while still damp to help soothe eczema. Use number 21. Vaseline can be used to enhance perfume longevity. Apply Vaseline to pulse points before spraying perfume to make the fragrance last longer. 22nd use. Vaseline can be used for razor burn prevention. Avoid the sting of razor burn. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline to your skin before shaving to reduce friction and prevent irritation. 23rd use. Vaseline can also be used as post-waxing soother. Soothe your skin after waxing. Apply Vaseline to freshly waxed areas to calm the skin and prevent ingrown hairs. 24th use. It can be used for facial massage. Use Vaseline as a facial massage medium to promote circulation and hydrate the skin. 25th use. Vaseline prevents scars. Use Vaseline on healing wounds and minor cuts to keep the area moisturized and minimize scarring. While Vaseline is generally safe for the skin, it may not be suitable for all areas. Avoid using it on the face if you are prone to acne or have oily skin, as it may feel too heavy. Additionally, it's not recommended for use on broken or infected skin. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.